So the last room I did my hobbies in, I call that the S.E.R. That room was kind of short on space. It was a 2-car garage with 2 cars in it, and I was trying to store all of my boards and stuff in it, and as you can guess, space was kind of tight. And I fully intend to fix that problem, and plans are now finally coming together. What we're going to be doing is, in that area right there, we're going to be building a separate garage, and in that garage I'll have my own garage bay where I can store my boards and make videos and all. But garages take a long time to build. So in the meantime, there's something new, and this is only temporary, but say hello to the new temporary S.E.R. Let's go inside. It's a lot bigger on the inside, trust me. Here it is. This is the new temporary S.E.R. And as you can see over here, we got a little workbench and a window, which is really nice. The other day I built this shelf to store some things. I'm going to be building another shelf there. So on to the next system test with the Kidde FX-64 fire alarm control panel. In this test, we have my Wheelock CH70 chime strobe. And as you can see, that is set on 15 candela. And then going down, we have my, I think that's Thorn B5 pull station. And this is kind of a really rare, uncommon pull station to get, so I'm really glad I have one. As you can see, it says lift, and it's got this little plastic piece. And then, of course, we have the Edward Siga and the EST smoke detector. And the panel. The panel is where you control the entire fire alarm system. Every professional fire alarm system has one. The CH70 is set on single stroke, and the panel is coding it to code 3. So you'll hear what that sounds like in a second. And I guess we can go ahead and pull something. Acknowledge silence. So now I bet you see why they called it chime strobe, and that's because how quiet it is. And that can be very pleasing for most people. Pretty much all people. So you lift this plastic cover and pull down. Let's go outside, because we can. Can kind of hear it. I don't think it's picking up the strobe. The strobe looks really cool on the outside. Now it's silenced. And as you can see, we have audible silence where the strobe continues to flash even though the alarm is silenced. So we can't reset the panel yet because it would just re-alarm. We have to reset the pull stations. So you open this up, flip the switch, push the lever back up, turn the key, and that one's reset. This one's a little bit older, and it's a little bit more tough to reset with one hand. But you use a hex key, and there's a little hex screw right there. And just unscrew it, open it up, and it's spring-loaded, so it'll automatically reset. Yep. And as you can see, you can also put brake rods in that hole. So here's one right here. You can put a brake rod in that hole. If it'll fit. I think I just broke it myself. Okay, it's in. And now when you pull it, it will break the brake rod. All it really does is make the pull station a little bit harder to pull. I can go ahead and demonstrate that if you want. Alright, time to break the brake rod. Did you hear how hard that was to pull? Not that much harder, but it does have a difference. But if you press signal silence again, it actually unsilences the alarm, which I kind of like, because if you ever had to re-alarm the building, you could do that from the panel. See? That's kind of cool, isn't it? And we'll go ahead and reset it. Bye. by pushing that reset button. Alright guys, that is the first system test in the Kidde S.E.R. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. I also installed this fire extinguisher.